Welcome everyone for today's Labii ELN and LIMS tutorial video. Today I will be covering barcodes and how it's used within Labii ELN and LIMS. For a quick refresher, a barcode is a method of representing data in a visual machine readable form. So initially barcodes represented data by varying the widths and spacings of parallel lines, and now these barcodes have dramatically expanded from one-dimensional and can be scanned by special optical scanners called barcode readers. Labii has taken that into account and provided 3 widgets, as you can see here, to help with your experiment and limb sample management. So first off, we have the label widget as shown here. So before moving forward on printing and rotating, I want to show you how you can customize this label. Simply click the pencil icon, and here you can choose the columns to be included in the label. The default is UID and name, but you can obviously select multiple fields or multiple columns as well. And then separator, how you would want to separate the data from different columns. The default is line break, but you have multiple options. And then the standard label. Labii supports multiple different label types. You can select one from here, and if you do select one, the width and height would be adjusted automatically. But along with that, you can also manually adjust the width and height of each one of these sections. Same with margin. And then for the font size, you can set the size of the text in pixels within this label. The default is set to 14. And then display header. So if you want to display the header for the label, you would check this box and then click submit once you're done. Also, you can rotate this, so if you wanted it vertically or if you want it back to horizontal, you can do that as well. And once you're done, you can hit print and a new window will populate, and here you can see what the preview will look like. And in your organization, all the printers that you have connected will showcase here, and you can use that printer. So we'll hit cancel. Moving right along to barcodes. So Labii also supports the traditional one-dimensional barcode, and you can use this barcode widget as shown here. So starting off, let's go over the fields that you're able to customize within the barcode. So starting off is the value. So the value to be encoded as the barcode, the default is UID, and again you can change that. May it be the mass unit. If you want it to be the location, you can do that as well. And then in terms of which barcode type to use, we have multiple to choose from. And to familiarize yourself, please just click on this link to learn about the different barcode types. And then in terms of barcode width, the width of a single bar, the default is set to 2, but you can change that as well. Same with the barcode height. And then choose the columns to be included in the label. Again, the default is UID and name. You can choose multiple different columns. Let's say if you wanted to include the owner, you can do that as well. And then if you want to display the label within the barcode, you would check this box. If you want to display the header for the label, you would check this box as well. And then set the size of the text. The default is set to 14, but you can edit that as well. As you can see, it's very flexible. And then for text position, if you want it on the top or bottom, you can select that. And once you're done, you would hit submit. And then if you want to print the barcode, simply click print. And as I mentioned earlier, you can select your printer, you can see a nice preview and print it out as well. And then we have QR codes. So a QR code is a 2-dimensional barcode, and it's also supported at Labii ELN and LIMS. The QR code can be scanned with any barcode scanner, and even smartphones are also supported with the proper apps within Labii. So here, click the pencil icon so I can showcase which fields are customizable, which is almost every field. So starting off with the value is what's to be encoded as the barcode, and the default is UID. Again, you can change that. And the QR error correction level, the default is to L, but you can change that as well. And then the code, the width of the QR code is set to 100 as default, but you can change that. And in terms of the columns to be included in the label, as I mentioned before, you can select multiple different columns. Default is UID and name. If you want to display the label within the QR code, check this box. Display the header for the label, you would check this box. Again, with the font size, default is 14. The text position, you can choose from left to right. And then the width of the text, default for QR code width within Labii is 100. And again, you can change that as well. Once you're done, you would hit submit. And then to print the QR code, simply hit print. And again, nicely shown as how it will print out. Labii supports multiple different printer types as well, and you can choose that from here. Now going over these three types of widgets, there's also bulk edit functions. So let's say if you wanted to update and print multiple samples, you can select a few, or let's say we want to select all. You can go to bulk print. So we have bulk print for label, barcode, and QR code. Let's start with label. And here we go. So configure the label to print. We can see the preview, and all of these fields are exactly the same as what I showed you in the previous screen in terms of customizing the label. And once you're done, you would just hit print. And then going down to the barcode bulk print, here we can choose the value. Again, same exact configurations and customizable options as I shown earlier. And then once you're done, you would hit print. And then bulk print for QR code. Here, nice preview, same exact customization options that will update in real time. And then you would click print once you're done. And then one last thing I wanted to show you is the scan functionality. So if you simply click the search function on the top, here if you click scan, you would allow your browser to use your camera, and you can directly scan from your smartphone and scan the barcode here at Labii without having to use a third-party solution. Now I hope you guys found all of this useful. I know we covered a lot, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.